Almost always, all at once. These works hold significant meaning and draw inspiration from a very personal space, but I believe they are still universal and relatable. They symbolize our moments and the essence of being a woman. We carry and nurture, we encourage and support, we challenge and persevere, we dream and accomplish. We are women. We defy the odds. We push the boundaries. We make the world beautiful. Always, all at the same time, in the same moment. These layered birds, always in flight, is a metaphor for these multiple roles. All who we have to be simultaneously in a single moment. Some of the pieces in circular format refers to the perspectives and lenses through which we view the world. My work and concept that I have been developing and exploring over the last few years celebrates what it means to be a woman. The universal ability we have to be so much, so many versions of ourselves, all at the same time. Mother, daughter, sister, friend, wife, partner, leader, comfort, reason, and more and more. We don't switch between these roles. We are all of them, all at the same time. It is a beautiful chaos in every moment.